In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Backbone controller to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Backbone controller and use it within your PlayStation 4. To do this, you will have to set up PlayStation Remote Play. So, every Backbone controller will be able to support PlayStation Remote Play. This feature allows you to play any games available on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 directly through your phone using the Backbone controller. So, you will be able to launch games installed on your PlayStation console from your phone. So, assuming that you have already set up your Backbone controller and the latest version of the Backbone app, all that you have to do now is install and open the PlayStation Remote Play mobile app. Inside of the PlayStation Remote Play mobile app, you will be able to log into your PlayStation account and tap the console that you want to play on, so PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Be sure that your console is on or in rest mode, and you will get instructions on how to properly set up the console and connect it with your mobile device. So usually, you just have to follow the prompts on screen, and the PlayStation is going to get detected as long as your devices are in the same network together. So, once the connection is found, you will be able to browse through various settings, set it up accordingly, and make sure that you have a strong network connection, because if you don't have good bandwidth, this isn't going to work quite as well. So I recommend that you are in close proximity of your console, and as long as you set it up properly, you will be able to play any game on your PlayStation 4 and see it on your phone screen. All of the controls for Backbone are going to be set up properly, and you will be able to play any titles available on PlayStation 4. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Backbone controller to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.